Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you a texture pack that I made. It comes with 10 height maps and texture maps, and I'll show you how to use them and how to download them. So first, you'll click the link in the description to this Gumroad link. So you'll click, I want this, type in 0 or a price amount if you want to pay for it, but it's free. And then you'll type in your email, press get, and then you have to click view product. So you see this is all 10 height maps. And then you'll click download all, download as zip. And then you'll take that zip file, unpack it, and it'll unpack as a file with all 10 maps in it. All right, now jump into Blender, and I'm going to show you a case use for this. So you'll take this, you'll hit U, unwrap, so you can unwrap it to add it to it. And then we'll go to the shading, to the node editor. We're going to click new. So I'm going to type in image texture. And then we're going to navigate to the folder that says paint maps. Right there, and then we'll just pick, right up here you see all 4 of these squares, and click that to visually see what they look like. And we're gonna pick this one, number 7. And if you just plug it straight into the color, you'll see what we're using. So here it is. And then if you wanna see some bump going on, you'll just type in bump. You'll get a bump node, plug the normal into the normal, and do the color into the height. And so now we have some fun stuff going on. And if you don't like how everything's bumpy, you want to have some flat portions, you can add a color ramp to the bump, and then you can just bring it down just like that. And now you have some flat areas where there's no bump, it's just perfectly smooth. Or you can flip the color ramp and do it the other way and have it just do its own thing like that. And now let's add some color to this. So let's add another color ramp. Plug it into the color here, and on the black I'm gonna give it a dark blue right around here, make it a dark blue, and then we'll make this, let's say, a purple. And now if we check out the rendered view, this is how it looks. So this is just one case use for it. You can use it for anything. You can put it on cloth. Here's a render that I added it to some cloth. So there you go. You can add it to anything. Just plug it in, unwrap your model, and just do whatever you want. Be creative. So yeah, thanks for watching.